everyone, welcome back to the Confident Dancers channel. If you're new here, my name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip-hop dance online. If you're someone who's struggling to learn hip-hop dance, don't know where to start, or just think you're too old to start something new, it's time to make this year the year you learn how to dance. Let me coach you personally, and the link to apply to work with us is in the description box below. In this video, you're gonna learn 15 very basic beginning hip-hop dance moves to do on the dance floor. The format's gonna look like this. I'm gonna do each move for 4 8-count straight, so you can just follow along, relax, and just have fun. Ready to get started? Hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get busy. Hope you enjoyed this video and you found basic moves to do on the dance floor. We drop videos just like this every Tuesday. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And if you're ready to take your dance to the next level, let me coach you personally. And the link to get started is in the description box below. See you next week.